Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Redfin to find rental comps for investors. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Redfin website. Once the home page loads, locate the search bar at the top of the screen. Enter the location where you are seeking rental properties, such as a city or neighborhood. Press the Enter key to initiate the search. On the results page, look for the filter options typically found on the left-hand side. Select the filter for rent to narrow down your search to rental properties only. Next, adjust the price range slider to reflect your budget or the target rental price for your comps. Consider using the property type filter to select specific types of rentals, such as apartments or single-family homes. Scroll down to the More Filters section to refine your search further. Here, you can set additional criteria, such as the number of bedrooms and bathrooms. Once you have configured your filters, click the Apply button to update your search results. Review the list of rental properties that appear on the. Click on individual listings to view detailed information about each property. Take note of the rental price, square footage, and any amenities included. If available, check the rental history and any recent price changes for a better understanding of the market. To find similar properties, look for the Nearby section within each listing. This section will show comparable rental properties in the area. Make a list of these comparable properties and their rental prices. Use this information to analyze market trends and determine potential rental income. Repeat this process for different neighborhoods or property types to widen your research. Once you gather enough data, compile your findings into a report or spreadsheet. This will aid in presenting a comprehensive overview of rental comps for your investment analysis. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.